If you want to keep your AutoCAD drawings connected to external files like Excel spreadsheets, Word documents, or other supported file types, then learning how to link files using OLE is a really useful skill. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, so you can place a linked file inside your drawing and keep it connected to the original source. This is great for adding tables, reports, notes, or supporting documents directly into your project without having to recreate everything inside AutoCAD. If this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing where you want to insert the linked file. It's always best to start with the correct drawing already open so you can place the object exactly where you need it. Once your drawing is loaded, look at the top ribbon and go to the Insert tab. This is where AutoCAD keeps a lot of file insertion tools, including options for external content and embedded objects. Inside the Insert tab, find and click OLE Object. OLE stands for Object Linking and Embedding, and this feature allows you to bring in content from another application. In this case, we're not just pasting a file into the drawing, we're linking it so that if the original file changes later, the AutoCAD object can stay connected to it. That's why this method is so helpful when you're working with files that may need updates over time. After clicking OLE Object, a dialog box will appear. In that dialog, choose Create from File. This tells AutoCAD that you want to bring in an existing file from your computer instead of creating a new blank object. Once you select that option, click Browse. A file picker will open, and from there you can locate the file you want to link. This could be an Excel sheet, a Word document, or another compatible file depending on what you need in your project. Select your file and confirm it. Before you finish, make sure you check the link option. This is the most important part of the process because it keeps the AutoCAD object connected to the original file. If you skip this step, the file may just be embedded rather than linked, which means future changes to the original file would not automatically carry over. So always double check that link is enabled if your goal is to maintain an active connection. Once the correct file is selected and link is checked, click OK. AutoCAD will now prepare the object for placement inside your drawing. You may see the file appear as an icon or as the actual content depending on the file type and how AutoCAD handles it. Now move into the drawing area and click where you want the object to be placed. That click confirms the insertion point and drops the linked object into your layout. From there, you can reposition it if needed and make sure it sits properly within your drawing space. Depending on the file type, you may be able to resize it or move it just like other inserted elements. This is especially helpful if you're creating professional drawings that need reference documents attached in a clean and organized way. And that's it. You've now learned how to link files using OLE in AutoCAD. Just remember the key steps. Open your drawing, go to Insert, choose OLE Object, create from file, browse for your document, check link, click OK, and place it in the drawing area. Once you get used to it, this process becomes quick and easy, and it can save you a lot of time when managing project documents. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.